Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome. And today's trading session, I wanted to trade on my own today because I had some eye procedures done and I wasn't too sure what to do with my group. So I just told them to take the next, take today off and tomorrow off. And I'm sure they're trading on their own because they know exactly what to do. But today I went in and I attacked Apple because Apple has earnings after the bell. So let's come over here. Let's just get this all out of the way. You see right there, it says margin account. And over here, stock is in real time. So MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, all real time feeds, equity options, real time, futures and futures options. It says delayed there because I don't trade futures and I don't need them on the feeds on, and I have other ways to find futures throughout the platform. Forex is in real time and others in real time as well. So you see it there, full blown margin account. Give me a second here. I still got this Corona fight, this long haul Corona cough. Hold on a second. Sorry about that. So, what did we do? Well, what did I do? I attacked Apple. Apple's got earnings, super volatile. So I just mapped out what's the first thing always that I do is we draw out the box, right? If you don't draw out the box, you have no idea what's going to be happening in pre-market or what happens when the bell opens. As you see here, the range was quite large in pre-market, but steady. And you see what's happening here. You see this big green candle right there? That's supposed to be a Mariboso bullish candle, but Apple, again, it has earnings. So what does it do? Opens up inside of the box. What do we do here? There's a couple different things. Either you can take the trade and you can do a spread, or you don't take the trade, or you look at it and look at the price action and the volatility and the support and resistance, and say to yourself, it's a good trade. Why did I take this trade? Well, because the 200 is flat. You can see it right here. Here's my 200 all in green. Then it just went red, sloping down. Here's the 20, right? Dipping down. And I just looked at it as I'm taking this trade because this candle can't sustain in this environment, right? This is all congestion up here. Once I saw this bearish inverted hammer with this configuration right here, when this blows so big like this was like $1 range. This was like $1.06 or $1.10 range. Let's come over here and look at this candle. Right at the open, this was the $1.03. Like, this thing just shot up way too fast. It blew its stack. And then that was it. When I saw that candle right there, I said, okay, I'm coming in to take this trade. So I got in right around here. What was it, 936? I got in on this candle right here at the 148. So when I saw this pattern, especially when I saw this inverted bullish pattern and I just saw this big, huge drop right here, I knew that was it. So that was my entry right here. And then because the 20 was just hugging right the price action, so I just knew that was it. And then 20 turned yellow, which means it's going down right there. Soon as that 20 went from green to yellow, and that candle, that was my entry to get in on the next phase. And it walked the stock all the way down to the lows right there, right? So you see the position I took here is the 147 put, October 28th. And this is all support and resistance. I mapped everything out, support and resistance. You can see on this side right here, you can see right here, here's the bearish divergence right there. You see the histogram building, momentum to the downside right there. You see right here, you see that right there, money flow, RSI. Money flow, super important. Money flow right there, flat, dropped right out of the sky. Institutions are bailing, getting out of Apple. RSI is deep, oversold, 27. So this is on a 3-day, 2-hour candle, so you can see it right there. And this is all support. All these white lines right there, they're all support and resistance. Let me open that up there so that you can see it. And it was just a just a trade, right? And the average true range for Apple for every 2 hours is $1.60, $1.61. So it worked out very well, this trade. Fantastic trade. And then you see right here, this is your bullish engulfing right here for that reversal, because Apple was just hitting multiple lows. You see on my price action right here, price levels right here, price levels right here. This is a bullish engulfing right there, that combination right there. And then you get that rip. Apple rips up to the upside right there. So you're probably wondering, this is for Corey Boatwright on social media. I kind of told him what I would do with Apple and taking the Apple trade before earnings. I may get back into Apple again. I'm not too sure yet, but you see it right here. There's the position that I took, the 147 strike put, October 28, 2022. And this is how I finished the day. I loaded the boat up with this particular option because I knew what was going to happen. I had trouble getting filled, but I just scaled in like crazy. I was doing 50 lots at a time. So there's the end of the day for me, 60,500 for double P. So that is how we trade with the Platinum X Power Option Trader groups. If you want to become a member, I would suggest that you get on the train, start looking at what we do. Don't even look at what I do. Look at what my members are doing. Look on social, look at their posting. A lot of my members don't post on social because they want to keep their privacy and they don't want people bugging them, because over the course of the year, what has happened is people have reached out to my members and they're bugging them. Give me a quick second here. My little guy is acting up and blowing up. But these people bug my members like crazy, asking them all sorts of questions, asking them to see their accounts. They want to see their broker statements. They want to do Zoom calls with them. Like, you don't do stuff like that to my members. You got to be cool. If I say approach my members openly and honestly, yeah, there's no problem with you approaching them, but don't be dicks. You know what I mean? Don't be douchebags. Don't be dicks to my members. And you know what I mean? Don't get aggressive with them. And because that's not the way to do it. Every day you see that I post. All this year, I've been posting left, right, and center on my wall. Show my results, wins, losses, everything, right? And then you see members posting as well. So if you're going to contact my members, be cool. Don't be a douchebag and don't be a dick. But other than that, come talk to me, right? What do you want to see? I'll show you, all right? So that being said, it's getting towards the end of October now. So I posted really heavy for the last 2 months on my wall, pretty much almost every day, results. Go back and look over the last year. My members have made ungodly amounts of money in this particular market. So it is what it is. There's not too much more I can say. I may have a special in November. I may not. I'm not too sure yet. But if I do, it's going to be a 24-hour special. And that's it. If you want to get on board, that's the thing to do. I'm not trying to sound cocky or anything, because I'm not. But I'm just letting you know that, just be cool. Be a cool customer, and you'll be rewarded for being a cool customer. Look at Apple just ripping now, eh? So Apple's got a expected move. Apple has an expected move of $7.26. Today, earlier, it was $6.90. So you see right here, the market maker move is $6.68. It's just moving, right? Let's go over here and let's see what's going on with the option statistics. So people are selling a lot of puts, right? You would think that this ratio right here, 217 to 135 calls to puts, you would think that the stock would be dropping. Well, it did drop, right? And now it's ripping to the upside, right? Someone's selling some puts here because they're thinking the stock's going to go up. I mean, it's volatility today. What's the volatility we're looking at here? Implied volatility for the year is 42.3%. So, I mean, the vol's not bad. It's 30%, 38.49% risk on the vol. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry. Yeah, there we go. 104% vol today on Apple. That's absolutely insane. That's why the stock is all over the map, right? Let's look and see who did some big trades. And then I'm going to close out the video here. Option time and sales. Wow, look at that, eh? Look at that big position. Somebody just came in here. Smart money just came in here. Look at that big block position. Look at that. I'm going to analyze this after the video. Excuse me. I'm going to analyze this after the video. I love that. That's a big block position. All right. So that's it from Double P. Sorry about the cough in there. I got that long haul COVID cough. And trying to shake this thing. Apple just ripped $3 from the low there. So that being said, come on board, come join Platinum X Power Option Traders, and I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care, everybody. Double P over and out.